right, beautiful people in the Moshe Reggae Lounge. We have some people from Italy, them love of Jamaica. Them love of Jamaica, them love of the Moshe Reggae Lounge. What's your name, brother?
My name is Paolo, I'm from Naples.
Ah, from Naples.
My name's Luca.
My name's Nancy.
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 Fratella.
My name is Arianna.
Marianna, fratella, bella.
My name is
Giovanni.
Giovanni, bello.
Camilla.
Amila, bello. So these people are from Italy. They love Moshe Reggae Lounge. They come up in the place to say hello. We have some more people. Where you from, my friend?
Napoli.
In Napoli. It's a family for these gentlemen. And we have more people over here. This is how they love Jamaica. They love Jamaica. Look at this. From Italy.
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Ah, baby. Look at it. Bella.
Bella.
Bello. Bella. Bellissima. Look, they come to enjoy themselves at Moshe Reggae Lounge on the beach on a Sunday. Big up Jamaica.